Welcome to Cross Transformation. It's Mariam here, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking to you about why narcissists hold on to you. In this video I want to explore the 2 reasons why narcissists don't let you go. You keep setting healthy boundaries, you keep ignoring them, you keep blocking them. Somehow they keep showing up. Somehow you find yourself falling back into the cycle of narcissistic abuse. So here is why. You see, this goes back to their childhood when they had a caregiver who was an extremely childlike parent and had unhealed attachment fears. The extremely childlike parent was unable to regulate their emotions. They also had unhealed attachment fears and denied the self. So the number 1 reason, are you struggling with regulating your emotions? Because that will put you on the wavelength of narcissism. Their caregiver couldn't find a healthy way to regulate their emotions. Their blueprint matches where you are emotionally. So they keep looking for partners with an extremely low emotional maturity. Again, if that's you, keep doing the healing work, become mature in regulating your emotions, in handling your emotions, and instead of reacting to situations, respond to situations. Next, the second reason, narcissist blueprint keeps looking for partners who are having a hard time healing their attachment fears. Are you someone with a disorganized attachment style? Then the likelihood of attracting a narcissist into your experience is going to increase. Are you denying yourself because narcissist caregivers denied them? Back in their childhood, their caregiver didn't want them to feel that they mattered. They didn't want that child who is now a narcissist to feel that they mattered. So to a narcissist, the familiar is to look for somebody who is not in touch with their reality, who keeps ignoring themselves, ignoring their needs, ignoring reality, who has got unhealed attachment fears, a disorganized attachment style. So if you're dealing with trauma, such as attachment trauma, or you keep ignoring yourself, denying yourself, just realize that behaviors like this will put you on the wavelength of narcissism. Is that what you really want? Keep healing yourself, keep arriving at who you are. Hopefully you'll find this video helpful, guys. The 2 reasons why narcissists don't let you go. Realize who you are, regulating your emotions on this journey of being a human. Keep acknowledging yourself. Find healthy ways to acknowledge yourself, that you matter and that you're not your attachment trauma. Who you are is the wholeness of being you. Realize who you are. That matters the most. I'm sending you love. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.